Hello, friends. What a week to remember. What a week to start from last week of May to first week of June. Perhaps the best performing week of Nifty. Nearly 1000 points or even 1200 points. It's really amazing. Bulls were in total control of market and bears were pulled out and slaughtered like anything. That is how people who short market will face the pain of the power of bulls. Okay, so last week we predicted that markets may go up to 10,200 and it went up to 10,200, came back the next day, and once again people started to say that Nifty has hit the resistance and it came back, and markets will again go back to levels of 9,800. I saw that in a money controlled CNBC TV. Great technical experts said that US market has also reached the resistance point, and so now there will be a reverse and Indian markets will also follow the same. It has hit 10,200. It once again came back to 10,000 levels. So the possibility is there that it will go back to once again 9,800, and even they scared that it may go to 9,500 levels. The moment they said all those things, people started to short. People started to sell, especially banks and financials. Of course, there was some negative news also from that Supreme Court in connection with that interest and all those things. So those also added up to the negative values, and finally Nifty lost nearly 150 points. So it assumed that bears once again came back. But again, I told, markets, okay, it's coming down, but I observed that there is some fierce buying when it comes to lower levels. So immediately Friday, markets once again started to move up. Thank SBI, State Bank of India, the big bank, put out some stellar results, especially in the NPA front. So we predicted that SBI will definitely post good results, and in fact we took a call and our clients made a good money in that SBI call. So public sector banks started to move. Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, Canara Bank, all those things moved like anything once SBI posted the results. And so Nifty once again came close to hit that resistance level of 10,200. So this happened on Friday. Friday evening, US markets reacted positively to the jobless data, and it rose nearly 3%. So later on, I heard that the data which was provided by US was not correct and there was some error in that. So probably we may have to see how markets may perform, or how Dow futures will perform on Monday morning. But whatever it may be, Indian markets are as of now reasonably strong. I don't say that it's as strong it was in the previous week. It's reasonably strong and it still has some more legs in the rally. So that means now it's trading somewhere around 10,100, 150 levels. It can move up to 10,300, 10,350 levels, or even maximum of 10,380. So the resistance level of 10,200 will be easily taken out on Monday. So if you are having longs, you can hold that. Perhaps tomorrow you may start to book profit, because Nifty will face a very big resistance around 10,300, 350, 400 levels. That is the, as far as my perception, it may have a very big wall there. From now onwards, markets will move technically. Okay, shots are squeezed, and you are in a, what to say, in a cricket they'll say middle over path. So that means now in a middle over game, that is the initial euphoria of the week, month starting is over, and the panic of the expiry is not yet there. So now the waters are very clear. So what happens is now markets exactly move as per the technical levels, that is support and resistance levels. Nifty will definitely face resistance somewhere around 10,350. So, but it may go up to 10,350 easily. 10,200 will be easily taken out, and we have to wait and see what happens after it hits 10,300, 350 levels. So that we cannot predict right now, because there are negative news associated with it, because in India the rise of COVID infection is going on, and many metropolitan cities are still facing a lot of problems, and there is a rumor that lockdown may be severe in the coming days. So such kind of news are emanating regularly. So what happens next? It's a difficult question, difficult prediction. Whether Nifty will comfortably cross 10,350, we have to wait and see, because almost all the shorts have been squeezed now. The only shorts which are available is in public sector banks. That too will be squeezed from Monday. In few days it will be over. Then there are no major triggers for the market to pull it in the positive direction. But again, markets are always fascinating. Bull runs can go even beyond our expectations. So if Nifty 10,350 is taken out, comfortably Nifty will go to 10,500 levels. And personally, I feel that Nifty may have a go to 10,500 in this series. That means not in the end, but to the week prior to the expiry. And expiry week will have some selling this series. So be prepared for that. If you are sitting in profit, it's better to book profit and take home your profits. So you have to realize the profits what you have made. So please book profits whenever you get a chance, especially in sectors like automobile and all. It is better to book profit, and now we can change the strategy from automobiles to once again defensives like IT and consumer goods, and there is FMCG and pharma. This is the time to switch from fast, banks, automobiles and all, to defensive sector. So markets coming week, still it may be, it will be in a bullish run. It will go up to another 100-150 points rally is there. It will go up to that. Then there is a possibility that it may take a U-turn. Again, it's only what? 70% I say that U-turn is not possible, because going by the rate at which markets are being bought in the dips, I have written that in my group, the ferocity of buying which is happening at lower levels is really scaring me. The ferocity, that means the bulls are coming like anything when markets touches the support zones. So that can be observed only by an experienced trader. So that ferocity, I feel practically that Nifty has much more legs, and it can easily cross 10,350 and touch 10,500. So that can happen. Possibilities are high. But for that, 10,350 has to be comfortably taken out. So this is the prediction for this particular week. Metals has given a clear breakout. You might have seen Tata Steel, Hindalco and all performed exceptionally well. Tata Steel was in a trading range between that 315 to 320 levels. Jumped Friday, reached 340 levels. Mid caps are doing great. SBI, good results. Still some more steam is left in that particular stock. It may reach 192 levels. So all these things are happening in market. And thanks for the subscribers of Easy Castle. I have visually seen that the number of subscribers have increased, the number of views has increased. and above all, number of calls what I get has also increased, and many people are now subscribing for Easy Cars group, in which we charge a fee of around a nominal fee is charged, so to get intraday calls and all those things. So once again, I thank all the people who are regularly lending your support by watching our videos and subscribing us and putting your valuable comments. Thank you all. It's the support that you provide drives us. Predictions are always predictions. Okay, so we don't say that okay, oh, we are experts in predicting. Not like that. We predict based on some particular factors and some particular reasons. Most of the time predictions will go right, sometimes it may even go wrong, so it is all predictions. So because markets may react to some good news or even some bad news also, under such conditions all these technicals will be blasted off. So this week markets, again bulls are having control. It's a 70-30 in favor of bulls. I say that 70 or even 80-20 in favor of bulls. If bulls power ahead, then automatically bears will have to hide. There's no other way. Thank you once again for watching. Thank you all. Wish you all a happy trading week and a prosperous trading week for the coming week. Subscribe, like, share, and then comment. Thank you.